Okay, now this is the best gun that I have. Probably long term, this has been my best seller, and that is the Jefferson Rifle, which is just phenomenal. It's got a scope, it's cock action, it takes strips, and what we'll do is we'll open this one up too. Now this gun is very hard to get a hold of, but I usually buy about 50 of them at a time because I sell so many of them. And it's just all, this is all metal, this is plastic, metal, barrels, plastic. But really what's sweet about it is the cocking action, this right here. There are some things on it that, you know, are a little questionable, but if you put them on tight, like this thing, if you will slide off, but if you pull it up tight, it gets kind of firm.
To armed citizens, form your battalions. Let us march.
Oh, the smell of caps is amazing. This is the Jefferson Rifle by Parris Manufacturing. It's the item number is 4600. I sell, man, last year I think I sold about 200 of these things. This is a beautiful gun, okay? And with the caps, you need the strip caps basically, which these are the strip caps, all right? And it's very simple. You just put in your strip caps like this. You slide them all the way in because it automatically advances. Okay, and you stick it up in there like that. And then you're gonna cock it. Now the first couple, you gotta get it loaded. There we go. I'm telling you, this is what every kid, every boy in America between the ages of 6 and 10 should have a toy gun for Christmas. I'm telling you. Well, I'll tell you right now, back in the 1950s, everybody had a toy gun, and I'll show you the one later on in another video, because this is fun. Kids just having fun outside. Cowboys and Indians, baby. Yee-haw, cowboy. Gonna get a snake in my boot. Yee-haw. Yee-haw. Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. The Jefferson Rifle at ProTinkerToys.com. BBB accredited at ProTinkerToys.com.